How small can a drone be? Imagine one smaller than a grain of rice, and you won't believe what it can be used for. I'm Kim Komando with this amazing discovery brought to you by Superbeats. Support your heart health with Superbeats Chews. Buy 2 bags and get a third free at kimsbeats.com. Researchers at Northwestern University have a few names for the smallest ever man-made flying machine that they created. Winged microchips, or microflyers, can go through the air much like seeds, catching flight with the wind because they are about the same size. The microflyers have 3 helicopter-like wings, a circuit board, power source, memory, and an antenna to wirelessly transfer data to a phone or computer. So what can they be used for? A large number of microflyers will soon be dropped down from a plane or building to monitor the air, say after a chemical spill, or to track levels of air pollution at various altitudes. Remember, all this tech in something the size of a seed, and then think of all the other data tracking that it might be good for. Get tech news 24/7 at Komando.com. Twice a week, something really special happens in the tech world. The Current newsletter gets dropped to about 100,000 people every Tuesday and Saturday. See why people love it for straight-to-the-point tech updates, tips, and news. Oh, there's no advertising in it, and it's free. What? Yeah, that's right. Try it now at thecurrentnewsletter.com. That's thecurrentnewsletter.com.